Minister of State for Health Ashwini Kumar Choube said that corona warriors will be the first ones to get the vaccine after its launch. He said 3 corona vaccines are at various stages of testing and scientists are working hard for their success. Choube held the National Digital Health Mission unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address to the nation on Independence Day. The minister said this is a historic decision for the country's health sector and will bring widespread change in the field of health. Indian Railways is constructing the world's tallest spire bridge in Manipur. The bridge, which is being constructed across River Ijai near Noni, is an engineering marvel because the tallest spire height will be 141 meter. It will surpass the existing record of 139 meter of Mala Rijeka Viaduct, Montenegro in Europe. The Manipur bridge is located at the hilly terrain of Maranchangin village in Noni district, about 65 km west of Imphal. The total estimated cost of the bridge is 280 crore rupees and it will be completed by March 2022. Monsoon session of the Parliament will witness many first-time measures in view of COVID-19. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla have decided to use the chambers and galleries of both the houses for enabling the monsoon session under the prevailing restrictions. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in Mann Ki Baat. Repeat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio on 30th of this month. It will be the 68th episode of the monthly radio program. PM Modi has invited people to share their ideas for the upcoming episode of Mann Ki Baat. In Jammu and Kashmir, high-speed mobile data services were restored on a trial basis in Ganderbal and Udhampur districts. According to the order issued by the Jammu and Kashmir Home Department, the trial period, which began at 9 pm yesterday, will stay in force till the 8th of this month unless it is modified earlier. Internet speed, however, in the other districts of the Union Territory shall continue to be restricted to 2G internet speed only. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red category warning for extremely heavy rainfall in Pune and Satara districts of Maharashtra. The forecast also predicted heavy rainfall in Mumbai, Raigad and Falghar. However, the intensity of rain will reduce from tomorrow. In North India, rain left Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and parts of Uttar Pradesh yesterday. Odisha will become the epicenter of India's overall steel industry. In a series of tweets, Union Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel Minister Dharmendra Pradhan said to further accelerate the development of the domestic steel sector and make Odisha the nerve center of Mission Purvodaya in steel, an integrated hub is proposed in the state. With a capital investment of 5 lakh crore rupees, the envisioned steel hub will produce 100 million tons of steel from out of 300 million tons national steel production target. Belarusian chanting "Step Down" filled the center of the capital Minsk on Sunday in the biggest protest so far against what they said was the fraudulent re-election a week ago of longtime President Alexander Lukashenko. Russia said it would offer Lukashenko military help if necessary, but there was no visible police presence at the protest, which attracted around 2 lakh people. At least 2 protesters have died and thousands have been detained in a crackdown since the vote.